Say hi. I'm in my high chair. I love to sit up like a big girl. Yes, I do. Hi. Hi. Yeah, see, I'm already trying to act older than I am. Because I want to sit up. And I want to walk. And I want to do all the things that the big people do. Yeah, I do. But I don't realize I'm only 4 months old. Surely I'm older than that. Surely I am. Oh, goodness. Is that your high chair, you big girl? Yeah, are you reaching out? Say hi. Get the camera. Oh, goodness. You got milk spits. You must have spit up and... Here. Let's see. There. You entertain everyone. Mom's going to get the bird rag. Ready, go! What's that? What is that, birdie? Yeah, is that right? Is that right? What do you see, Mama? What do you see, Mama? She's a silly girl. Oh, yeah. Silly girl. Sitting in your big girl chair. Yeah, oh, goodness, you're gonna move around and move your legs. Like you're a big girl. So big. Oh, yeah. Oh, goodness. Okay. But just a little snippet. Because we're going to go do something else now. Okay? You ready? Say, love you. Say, love you. Kisses. Yeah. Oh, goodness. It's some more. It's some more. It's some more. Okay, bye.